Driving alone, the Driver Drowsiness Assist will keep you alert. Drive Info can be accessed by pressing the menu button on the steering wheel. To enter the Drive Info page, you need to press the Enter button. Here, use the up and down buttons on the steering column to scroll to the Driver Drowsiness Index. There's a display of driver attention levels depicted by 5 bars on the instrument cluster. The system continuously observes the vehicle's driving pattern and notifies any dangerous behavior observed. 5 attention bars indicate that the driver is completely awake. 4 attention bars indicate that the driver is quite awake. 3 attention bars indicate that the driver is neither awake or sleepy. 2 attention bars indicate the driver is slightly sleepy and can stay awake with effort. A single bar indicates that the driver is extremely sleepy and cannot stay awake.